Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Celsius Legacy withdrawals and repayment steps step by step clearly. To set up Celsius Legacy withdrawals, first, log into your Celsius account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the withdraw option on the main menu. Click on withdraw to access the withdrawal screen. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw from the drop-down menu. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw in the provided field. Next, you will need to input your withdrawal address. Ensure that the address is correct, as transactions cannot be reversed. After entering the address, review all the details for accuracy. If everything is correct, proceed by clicking the Confirm button. You may be prompted to complete two-factor authentication. Follow the instructions provided to ensure your identity. Once authenticated, wait for the withdrawal transaction to be processed. This may take some time depending on network congestion. Next, let's discuss the repayment steps. To start your repayment process, return to your Celsius dashboard. Find the Repay option within the main menu. Click on Repay to access the repayment section. Select the loan you wish to repay from the list. Input the amount you intend to repay. Make sure to verify that your repayment amount aligns with your loan terms. Review your repayment details carefully. If all information looks accurate, click the Confirm Repayment button. Complete any required two-factor authentication steps. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification of your repayment status. Monitor your account for updates on your repayment and withdrawal transactions. Be patient as both processes may take some time to reflect on your account. Congratulations! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.